Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now, as you can see, we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. So to get access to the mirror effect we have to change it to the front, and we can do it by using this button here in the right corner at the bottom. So hi again, and now let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this we get access to some more settings we can manage. From here let's move to the left corner. By tapping on this we can open the advanced camera settings, and now we have to just simply slide a little bit down to the general settings, and here we have the mirror front camera option. So by using this button we can decide if we want to turn this on or turn it off like that. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.